What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Hyundai Tucson 1.6 liter engine that we have right in front of us, and this color is a indigo blue. Check this out man dude, it is blue indeed, but on one side if it hits the shade it looks like as if it is black. Now we'll turn on the lights to show you guys later how it actually looks, but in the meantime just observe how physically attractive this car is. So let's start off with the front. You have your amazing lights located down here, including here. Now you can't really see them, right? You think it's actually a chrome-like design, but actually there are lights actually hidden here. So it's beautifully designed, guys. I'll turn it on later to show you guys, but yeah, looks like it's part of the grille. Can you see that? Amazing, right? But we'll turn it on later to show you guys. But admire how beautiful the cuts and angles are like for this amazing looking car. Hyundai logo. Love this satin finish, absolutely beautiful. You got an amazing place to put your number plate as always. You got openings right here for air to go through. Amazing sensors located all over the place, guys. Gloss finish down here. You got amazing lights, air to flow through the side wheels for the front bumper right here. Amazing touch. Now the front hood, let's admire how beautiful it is. You got amazing lines cutting this way, cutting that way, and the other way. So can you see how angular this car is with all the lines facing forward towards the front, and this beautiful grille in that shape? Stunning. You get this other texture down here which is in this satin finish as well, kind of like a greyish, so it is very nice indeed for a car like this. Now let's jump to the wheels. Take a look at the side wheel arch in this matte black finish, also very nice indeed. Check out the tires, Hyundai tire wheel caps in the center, solid disc brake right there. You got your calipers on that side. Tire size for this 235/55 R19, so 19-inch wheels for a car like this. You got some silver lining on the outside, some grey glossiness on the inside, guys. Beautiful texture, love how it looks. Take a look at the side here, matte finish all the way until the rear. So you have some design happening here and the front, right? How it angles up and goes right at the back. So beautiful touch. Door handles follow the body color of the car, also nice. Side right here, blue. Underneath you got some turn indicators located right here, together with this satin chrome finish like of a color to blend in with the top. It goes all the way and drops back down here in this particular design. So it is very nice indeed. Love how the body has all these cuts here and there, then joins right here all the way to the back. So amazing design from the side. Without the light it's a bit hard to notice, but let's open up the doors and take a look what's hiding on the inside. So door handles located right there, windows to go up and down over here, hole here to close the door. You have your compartment storage down here, speakers located right here. You got this fabric kind of a touch on this side, and you get all the others in this PU kind of a material together with some leather mixture happening on this side. Beautiful touch. It's a matte finish. Nice. This is nice. Very good. So now we are on the inside. Check out the seats. Before that, Tucson plates to the side right here. Hyundai wording on the carpet. Leather feels very, very nice with quality. Seat adjustments are electronic. Beautiful. Let's move the seat slightly forward according to how I would sit, and let's have a seat on the inside right here. We have this dashboard in this very soft like texture, looks very solid and nice. You got a place where you can keep your stuff. So as you can see, there's some, how to say this, grooves right here, right? So where you can put some stuff so it won't be rolling here and there when you take a left and right turn. So it's angled up in a very nice way, so good. Fabric stuff happening right here, amazing texture that goes all the way till the driver's side. You got your air vents here, up and down. Over here, same also as well, here also, very cool. Glove compartment, open up, storage, close that back. Bottom is dark, top is bright, color finish, very nice indeed at the top. You got other adjustments right here, such as the lighting when you open up the door, lightings to turn on, and yeah, some other things will turn on right here, like your passenger airbags and whatnot. Mirrors are located, of course, right there. Climate control with other settings are all here. Your home, your map, your search, your media, your seek for the track. Favorite button together with some other settings that you can set. Temperature adjustments together with your fan speed, all should be here with the car on. And of course, down here will be your other USB sort of like settings that you can actually choose to adjust other stuff. Now, that side is that, down here is here, and USB-C, and of course, other 12-volt charging capabilities. Down here, you can actually keep some stuff, which is your phone and whatnot. Another storage place down here as well. So, very spacious indeed. NFC charging over here. 2 cup holders are located right here. Now this should be your driving mode and also your lock for choosing front wheel or rear wheel, so all-wheel drive or not. So amazing look for this. Auto hold for your braking. Hill descent over here. You got your parking for your camera together with your parking for your sensors. If you don't want, you know, anyone to be annoying you in the car with any sensors, then you can turn it off. Kind of cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right in the passenger seat of the Hyundai TUCSON, however they call it. Kind of cool. Seatbelts are in black. I love how they have this satin finish once again on the seats. So beautiful touch. Amazing seat-like stitching all over. So beautiful indeed. Now let's open up the rear doors and check it out. Beautiful texture for the finishing that we have right here. Stitching located right there. Fabric on this side right here. Beautiful as well. Satin finish over again. Door handles in this matte satin outlook. Speakers down there. Cup or bottle goes right there. TUCSON wording right here. TUCSON, or however they call it. Not so sure. You got your seatbelts in black located right there. I believe these are slots for you to slot in case you want to fold down the seats. So you basically turn them and you basically slot them right in. So when you pull up the seats up and down, you won't be getting your seatbelt stuck at the back. So let's have a seat at the rear passenger. You got some storage place right here with some net. You also get your your fans right here, and your temperature adjustments should be controlled from the front, I believe. So Type-C charging down here. Amazing. Doors right there earlier, and right now we are sitting at the rear passenger seat. What's up, man? So yeah, seatbelts are in black, and then we're going to move, but before that, let's check out this. You got some compartment storage right here for you to keep your cup holders and whatnot. Let's sit at the center seat. Lights right up there, handles to hold, and amazing indeed. So let's jump to the other side. Let's open up the doors. Let's get down. So now, since we're already down, let's take a look at the rear wheel tires for this 235 55 R19. So 19-inch wheels. You got your silver lining on the outside, grey finish on the inside. Beautiful touch for these wheels. Solid disc brake at the rear. Calipers are right there. Amazing. So you got your black matte finish that's happening all over the place right here. Some AG-like design on that side. Now let's jump to the rear. I love how the rear looks like. It has these lines that goes right there. Then you got these cuts happening down here. So beautiful indeed. You got this badging that is already on the glass. We'll open up the boot shortly to show you guys. But TUCSON or TUCSON wording right there. H-Track 1.6T, and we will open up the boot from down here in a while more. The rear seats we will take a look at, but take out this matte finish for the rear bumper. You got some reverse lights together with, I believe, your turn indicators. Maybe we'll turn it on later to show you guys. Some reflector here. This matte finish of a rear diffuser is nice indeed. Okay, so 12-volt charging. Folding down the seats. Let's do that again. Amazing indeed. So wheels are located right down there. Warning triangle right there. So you have an option to lower this whole thing can be lowered to one more level down here. So you got to pull it out, and then you can slot it in one level down. So right now it's blending in to the same height as that, so it's no problem, right? So you got your hooks right here. Amazing touch indeed. You can take these off, take this whole railing off and slot it in down here as well. So can you see that? Can Can you see that? So it goes from the bar from cross to here to there. Very good indeed. So amazing. This, hook it on to hook right there, so it acts as a shade so people can't see what's happening in the rear boot. Let's close that back. Let's close the boot right down. Signal lights left and right. Let it close down in a while more. Now let's jump to the driver's side of the door. So easy entry, welcome seats, TUCSON wording right there, Hyundai wording right down there, black pedals. Okay, so you got your child lock for the windows, and also you have your windows up and down. You got your lock and unlock, mirror adjustments left and right, handles right there, hole to close the door. Satin finish once again is matte finish, very nicely touched. Compartment storage down here, speakers right there, and let's jump on in the driver's seat. So amazing touch for the steering wheel. I like how it's having that certain angle, certainly all over here and here. So you see it's round, certainly it's different shape like design. Again, amazing display. So let's go through the back here for your wipers. You got your lights for your high beam and your signal over here. Negative shift for downshift, you got upshift right here, and the beautiful part again is the gear. So other people's gear or other cars normally is like you got to pull it down or push it up, right? So this is like a switch. So it's very nice how you switch it up and down, and then there's a P right here for you to press the P. So very cool like design. So amazing. You got your traction control to turn off, you got your button here to close the rear boot, and also you got your P for your parking, pull is to release, and other things right down here for servicing. Open up the front hood is right there. Beautiful touch, amazing steering like design. Driving modes over here, other modes are set to adjust from here, but yes, you also can choose your favorite button, answering call, voice commands and whatnot on this side. Volume up, volume down, toggle through the settings. This side right here, more like your cruise control, lane keeping assist, distance from the front car, amazing indeed for you to agree and select. Horn of course in the center, amazing. So these displays we will turn on when the time comes, but in the meantime, the car is a fantastic car to be sitting in. I'm not sure if there's some power in this car where people can actually turn on, but yeah, we need the key to actually do that. So we're not going to be starting the car in the showroom, but nevertheless, this is a fantastic looking SUV. Check out the boot. Amazing storage, guys. A lot of storage for this car. Just the seats, you got to put some pressure to keep it down, but other than that, it's a fantastic looking car, guys. Beautiful. So okay, now before we get to more details, I forgot to show you guys the turn indicators for this car. Now, turn indicators located right here below the side mirrors. Now check out the front, man, dude. Check out the front with the turn indicators that are over here and over here. Can you see when it turns off, it looks like as if it's part of this, which has no light. Very nice touch. The other lights are down here, man. Damn. Now, I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but it looks very, very beautiful. I'll turn off turn indicators in a while more to show you guys, but in the meantime, just check out how aggressive and sleek looking the front of this car actually is. Now let's jump to the rear to show you guys the amazing rear design for this. Check that out, man, dude. All these cuts right here happening, then the line popping right down. Can you see what I mean? With all these straight lines, they're going from left to right, then it angles down back again. Amazing. Turn indicators are located down there. Reverse light, I believe. Again, turn indicators together with your reverse light, reflectors right there. So beautiful touch for the rear. Very nice, very, very sporty indeed. Aggressive looking design. So now let's turn off the signal lights to show you guys how amazing the front looks. So as I mentioned, can you see that? The lights are here, the lights are here, the lights are here and here. So it's damn nice. Love how this looks, man. Damn cool. So beautiful touch. That is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Hyundai cars, do head down to Area Damansara, where you can locate this car and many other beautiful cars they have on display, guys. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.